visually. My first time in China, and I'm very excited to be here. So, I'm sure you've all seen these black and white squares before. The problem is, they don't talk to us, they talk to machines. Images, on the other hand, images talk to humans. This is what we do at Visually. Using our patented technology, we take the everyday QR code and turn it into a creative, branded, and effective visual QR code that significantly increases customer engagement. Today, there's a clear need to lead consumers from the offline world into the mobile. The offline physical world is all around us, and everybody knows that the world is going mobile. There are endless opportunities to connect between these worlds. QR codes are the dominating standard for bridging the gap between these two worlds. With over 5 billion QR codes we generated in 2013, and almost 1 billion users that have already downloaded purely their individual device. We see QR codes everywhere. We see big brands using it in the advertising industry, on advertisements, on magazines, on products. We see companies like PayPal and Tesco and Alibaba that let their users purchase products using their mobile devices. In the social world, we see Sina and Tencent that let their users connect with each other, engage in conversations, and share their content using QR codes. So QR codes are great, but at Visually, we make them much better. Using Visually, anyone can take a QR code and merge it with any design, and by adding the creative and branding aspect to the process, people can create the most effective call to action that exists today to lead consumers from the offline world into the mobile. Not only that, in many cases, people who were reluctant to use QR code due to their unappealing appearance are now using visual QR codes. Visual QR codes are simply the next logical step in the evolution of the QR code technology. Take a look at this example. This is one of our customers from Austria. He used regular QR code for his campaign. For those of you who didn't notice, the QR code is right there in the corner. Only when he discovered Visually was he able to merge the QR code seamlessly with his design and create a successful campaign with over 200% increase in scan rates. So let's see how it works.
Visually is a tool that enables you to instantly merge QR codes like SAM seamlessly onto any part of the design. With Visually, you can use your creativity and make attractive and intuitive visual QR codes that significantly encourage customer engagement and improve conversions. Visually, QR codes as you've never seen before.
So as you saw, anyone can take any image and turn it into an interactive design in less than 60 seconds. And it seems to be working. In the 6 months since we launched, we've had over 100% growth in month-to-month usage and revenues. Hundreds of thousands of small and medium-sized businesses are currently using our platform. In this slide, you can see the evolution of the visual QR code, starting from the regular old 94 QR code up to our brand new 2013 visual QR code. We use a unique one-of-a-kind technology based on image processing, on machine learning, and on mathematical algorithms. We filed several patents today, giving us a true proprietary edge, and very important to mention that we meet the QR code world standard, and therefore we support any kind of device and any kind of existing QR reader. There are other companies that are trying to solve the same problem. They use image scanning technologies. They suffer from two major problems. The first problem is how can the user understand how to explain the user he can scan an image. And the second problem is that they force the users to download a special proprietary app in order to scan this image. In Visually, we don't have these problems. We are three co-founders that have known each other for many years now, and we are working together very closely in the last 3 years. We have strong backgrounds of both business and engineering, specializing in computer vision and machine learning. We're backed up by a great talented team of 11 people, and the best in Israel, as mentioned before. So we are visualists, and we aim to make the world a more engaging place, one visual QR code at a time. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Judges, any questions? There's a pattern. How do you make money?
Same question. Okay, first of all, we believe that everybody should use our visual QR code. It should be anywhere, it should be produced in mass productions. So we have a basic product that is for free, and we have some premium features for businesses and designers, starting from management and analytics features and up to print features for designers. And we also have another platform for the mass production of QR codes that we use with our partners and with our big customers that are willing to use it as in mass productions. And there we use both licensing for white label and paper generation. Great, thank you very much.